Hi, everybody. It's Jenny from the Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I'm here with Natalie and with Misty.
Hi.
And we are here to help you celebrate National Quilting Month. It means so much to all of us, and here at Missouri Star, it especially means a lot. And we have some awesome things planned for you in this celebration of National Quilt Month.
That's true. We've come up with a bunch of new gifts and souvenirs that we're going to release, new
Really
products
fun
that are
souvenirs.
super cute.
Yes.
So watch for
We're
those.
really excited about that.
We also are doing our fun Win It Wednesday.
Every
giveaways
Wednesday.
Every Wednesday, both in town and online.
Yep.
Yep,
So
and
make
great
sure to check that
giveaways.
out.
So
yeah.
be watching.
We have a lot of cool in-town events and trunk shows coming up, and I'm giving a trunk show, or I'm giving a Q&A. I'm giving something.
We'll tell her about 5 minutes before
Yeah,
it's time to
she
go.
will be there.
We'll do it.
But we have great guests coming into town.
We do.
Like
Lots of
Edie
guests.
McGinnis and,
Yes.
and a few other
Lots of other
wonderful people.
Yeah.
We also have a Missouri Star Live happening, and I'm
Every
But
week.
every week.
Every week.
Every single week.
every single week, and I get to be the host a couple of times.
At
Oh,
least,
that'll be
yeah,
fun.
at least
Yeah,
twice.
so I'm really excited about that.
Yeah.
Yep. We've got a block party.
And to cap our National Quilting Month off, we are going to have a charity auction.
Yes.
So cool. It's going to benefit the sewing labs. And I just wanted to say, one of the reasons we chose the sewing labs is they're local. They're right here in Kansas City. We all went to visit them. We were so impressed with what they were doing. But for me, mostly, it was the fact that they are teaching people skills.
Yeah.
That they have it set up. So it's not just giving somebody something. It's actually teaching people, which is going to change a whole generation,
Exactly.
as that goes out into the
Teaching
world.
them a skill to change their lives.
That's right. It's like
Yeah.
teaching a man to
Well, and
fish
it's-
instead of
and-
giving him a fish. So we hope you'll join us here at Missouri Star for all the fun things we have planned during National Quilting Month. See you later.